Okay, turn the wheel straight, and I'm backing straight up. It's like you backing into a driveway. I'm coming up, done. That's the second one. I put in park. To the left, to the right, that's what fails everyone. Parallel park. But I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna walk it like I talk it. Okay, first one easy. Second one, a little hard. Third one, that's where you fail. We're gonna roll forward. Stay close to this cone, this pole right here, this flag pole. I'm gonna move up really slow. You want the rear of the car even, my rear bumper even with this. Yeah, you keep looking at that area. Okay, look, I'm gonna put it, look at my hands. Turn the wheel all the way to the right. And now, keep looking, see how I'm going in at that angle? I'm gonna go in slow and deep. Ooh, I'm a little close. Turn it back. I'm a little shallow, and I'm gonna turn it slow. I'm still legal. We just need to get half the car in. So I'm gonna go in slow. Yeah, keep looking. Now, I'm good. Look, I'm going in deep, and then look, I'm gonna turn my wheel all the way to the left. We just wanna get most of the car in, and I'm keep going. Okay, this is passing. A little bit of the car's out. This is still passing, most of the car's in. This is passing. If you wanna be fancy, you could turn the wheel all the way to the right. That's one minus. I'm in more, okay? You have to be able to do this. So I'm gonna turn the car around. We're gonna switch. You gotta do this. All right, it's real. Don't freak out. You see me, I didn't come in perfect. I'm gonna turn the wheel. I'm gonna set you up, and just take your time when you do these maneuvers. So if I can do it, bruh, you can do it. I'm gonna turn the wheel back around. I'm gonna walk you through. I'd like you to do this whole thing twice. I'm gonna set you up. You have to make sure your car is set up straight, okay? All right, big dog, let's switch, man. Come on, get comfortable, get set, stay relaxed. Throw in the seatbelt. Yeah, seatbelt on. Put it in drive. Let's get this first one out the way. Take your time, just cover your brake. Perfect, roll forward. Get as close to that yellow line as possible without going. Good, put in park. I wanna check, just put in park. I wanna see if you're over. I don't think you're over, but I wanna see. Back, straight back. Don't turn the wheel now. If you do, you're gonna hit the cone. You gotta back about halfway, then turn your wheel all the way to the left. You want the rear, you gotta back in. Okay, so far so good. You get in first. You're doing well. First one is easy. You get, brother, go slow. Release the brake, put in R, back slow. Now turn it. Left. It's in, keep looking. Going slow. You're looking good. I'm looking in the mirror. You good, big dog, come on. Straighten up wheels. Go back in a little bit more. Now straighten up wheels. Look out your back window. Straighten up wheels. Roll back, straight back. Slow. Take your time. You gotta go in deeper. Get close to that back cone as possible without hitting it. Keep going in. Gotta make sure the front end is in between this yellow. Keep going in. Yep, that's a little pressure, big dog. Come on. And stop. Okay, very good. Now put it in drive. You got the second one. You got to get close to this cone over here to the right. Roll forward. Okay. Now turn it. Better. Keep going. Closer to that. Yes. Closer. Keep going. More. Now turn the wheel back. Roll forward. Good. I like how patient. Straighten up wheels. You got to pull up straight to back end straight. You got to be past this cone. Keep going. And stop.